Hello dear student, my name is Diana Leon. In this opportunity I want to present you Task 5 Materials and Lesson Planning of the course Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. For the lesson plan 1, we have the skills to develop speaking and listening. The institution is Colegio Psicopedagógico Arte del Saber. It is a private education, and the topic is simple present tense. The objective general. With this activity, we seek to exchange information to develop skills to speaking and listening in an activity and dynamic and group way. Objectives specific are to understand the grammar structures of the present tense, to understand the importance of the correct use of the simple present tense, to reinforce knowledge of grammar and spelling, to reinforce communication and socialization skills. Resource or materials: board, support tests, notebooks, records, music videos, blog, computer and internet. For the lesson times are 16 minutes. The activities are warm 10 minutes. Before starting the activity, we must have all the materials. We are going to use ready. Choose a support materials, card, colors, videos, and songs. We must adopt a classroom to organize the student in a group. And finally, after a cordial greeting, a practice of greeting in English, we give wide, clear explanation of the activity to the students. Then we have activity 1, 15 minutes, new vocabulary, speaking and listening ability. Groups of the 3 or 4 students are formed in a round table. The teacher will distribute to each group cardboard cards with explanation of the simple present tense. Under the direction of the teacher, students will study and reinforce knowledge to explain the topic to the group. The team that the best exhibits and is most creative will earn 10 additional points for the final grade. Practice 20 minutes. The teacher explains the rules of the game and the way to participate. The game will only begin when the teacher orders them. Each student will participate in the organization of the exposition. All teams must make their presentation and participation. And for the last, and to reinforce the theme after the presentation, we will watch the video. Activity 2, 15 minutes, speaking and listening ability. At the end of the activity, the teacher analyzes the activities carried out and the performance of the student. Each activity will be evaluated based on only the failures and strengths demonstrated in the group work. For the homework, the student develops exercise 1 and 2 annexed in the guide. You can read the evaluation rubric lesson plan. We have the final score 120. We have different aspects: individual participation, activity 1, activity 2, and homework. Exercise 1 is the multiple choice. Select the correct answer, and we have only 4 questions. And the exercise 2 is a simple exercise. You need write Your daily routine, 20 lines minimum. Use the simple present tense. Thank you.